installing the chassis in the rack. Align the chassis with the rails and then slide the chassis into the rack. Secure the captive screws on the front of the chassis to the rack. Align the shipping bracket with the guide holes on the rack and the chassis, and then insert the bracket and push it toward the front. Fasten the screws to secure the shipping bracket to the chassis and the rack. Repeat the steps on the other side of the shipping bracket. Reinstall all the nodes and connect the cables to the nodes. Reinstall all the power supply units or fillers.